Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Yes, it's Matt here at the Real Toy Shop. And what we got for you today? Well, if you can stick around long enough to bear with me while I walk round and eventually start up with no edits, just a little walk round, this 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100, and it's the factory. And it's got a carbon pipe on it. We think it's an Akrapovic, but we're unsure, so we daren't say, but it's got the titanium link and everything else. So, come on, let's have a look around the bike. Let's see what you think to it. It's not an instructional or a how-to or anything like that. It's just, let's have a look at this and see what condition it's in and everything else. See if you want to buy it. Like I said, no edits. So if I mess it up or get something wrong, drop it in the comments down below. It happens a lot, so spot deliberate mistakes. And let's just see what you think of the bike, really. So, starting at the front, these things look fast stood still, don't they? It looks crackers just stood there. Brilliant livery on these. It's Italian, isn't it? So it's got to have a good look to it. That's just life. That's how it works with Italian stuff. So, it doesn't matter if it's a handbag, a shoe, or a motorcycle. All look gorgeous. So, starting at the front then, obviously it's in the factory colours. It would be, it's a factory. And we go around the front and we've got super tricky front suspension, gold forks, etc. It's got the Brembo monoblocks with the inset Brembo. You've got carbon front mudguard, or certainly carbon look. They're Rollins, of course, with a fancy trick suspension. Of course it is. What we got for tyres? So we've got some Michelins on there. I can't quite see what they are. If you know what they are, just drop it down below. Someone's put some other decals on there, look. We've got factory covers, just a little rub on the edge of that one. Nothing drastic. Some nice grips there. Stop your boots rubbing on the frame. And then coming round, obviously we've got the titanium pipe there leading up to the carbon back. These generally are an Akrapovic on these, but I couldn't actually see anything on there that said it was or it wasn't. Oh, hang on, what's that down there? Perhaps I just didn't look hard enough. Oh no, I actually genuinely can't see that. So, don't know, what does that say? Can you see? I'll maybe watch this on the video later and go, oh yeah. But it's got the carbon clamp on it. It's got an RNG protector on it. And it makes all the right noises. But I'll let you decide. Coming round here, of course, we've whipped round now. We've got a tail tidy on the back. That gorgeous Aprilia rear end there. And then coming down, that rear swing arm is a work of art. And then chain and sprocket, all looking gorgeous. Red wheels, of course. Why wouldn't you? Quick shifter showing down there. We've got, if you look inside there, you can see the cleanliness of the bike. And shock and everything. Coming up this side again, those lovely frame decals and decals on the tank, all tying in together. And then as we come down, getting some little covers on there. Now, if we come up the top, hopefully you can see the condition of this. There's a couple of little things, just like a little mark there, look, on the decal, but it's generally really, really, really nice. Tank protector. And then we've got race style, quick release, quick action filler cap. Coming around here, then we've got, this is what makes the factory really, isn't it? A whole suite of electrics. Cruise control on here as well. And rider modes. Got some fancy Italian coloured levers. I've not seen those. I don't know if someone's made those out of 3 sets. I have no idea because I've not seen them like that before. And then, of course, Aprilia's 50th world title monikers on there. And then as we drop down this side, again, all the fairings and everything are all looking just as you want them. Someone's gone to trouble of putting a little decal under there as well. I've not seen one there before, on a sort of rad guard. But the Tuono, it's the V4, it's equally as ballistic, or it certainly feels it, as its race brother, the RS V4 with a fully faired, but the Tuono just a little bit more relaxed on the wrists. Still an absolute weapon. It's that Street Fighter naked hooligan machine, isn't it? That's basically what it is. There isn't many faster ways of firing yourself at the scenery, is there? So, you know, it is a hooligan machine. It's not something, although you can do it, you're not just going to toot around town on it, are you, and pop to the shops on it. You're going to have fun on there. I wouldn't think you'd wear many front tyres out either, for reasons that officers may want to talk to you about. Carbon rear hugger, and I love that Aprilia cast in the rear swing arm. I didn't mention that when I went past it before, and obviously it's Olin's equipped. Absolute flying machine. So, what could we do for you on the bike? Well, first off, if you have a part exchange, and why wouldn't you? Give us a shout at therealtoyshop.co.uk or .com. That's where the website is. That's where you'll find us page, spookily marked, part exchange. Then, if you need finance, monthly payments, all that kind of good stuff, give us a call, talk to you. But you've got to give us a call in the office. Again, the numbers are on the website, so not hard to track us down. We're a little family business. We've been here years. Comments, get them down below. Little subscribes, thumbs up. All of that really, really helps support our little channel and our little business. Remember that. If you want bikes to stick around. If you don't bother. So that's the finance, that's the part exchange out the way. Then we get to delivery, don't we? And again, here, our little shop here in Grimsby, we have always delivered our bikes for absolutely nothing. Yep, mainland UK, any of you guys that have had the privilege, drop it in the comments, let people know that we do bring what we say we're bringing, etc. It's just the way we work. So we bring you this bike. This can be your receipt in our crazy black crafter van that you see us out and about. It says get your leg over on the side. We know what it means. Not everyone does. We get some smirks. So, if you see it, give us a wave. I'll try and wave back. So, anywhere mainland UK, island guys, we'll drop it Holyhead or Stranraer or something like that. Or alternatively, we do have a courier number. But what that doesn't mean is that you can't come and have a look at it. So if you want to come and look at the bike, obviously we'll give you a cuppa and everything else. You don't have to come and take it away. You can come on a rainy day in the car, do what you like, and we'll bring it another day. But we aren't stopping you coming and looking. We can't help where you're viewing from. If you're in Cornwall, you're like, well, you're a long way. I don't want to pay till I've seen it. Well, tricky. You know, come and see it. That's not our fault you're in Cornwall or Inverness. You know, it's just one of life's things. But if after seeing this, reading our reviews on Google, appreciating what we're trying to do here, and you think, do you know what? I'll have that. Then this is your receipt. I'm poking this camera where you'd probably never go if you were stood here. So please bear that in mind. And if you want to come and see us, do. If you don't, get that crazy crafter fired up. So now it's just noise time, isn't it? You want to hear that. So how's that go? Well, anyone who's watched us before, regular viewers, and thank you regular viewers, we do appreciate you. We're only a tiny little channel, and those viewers that do pop by all the time, fantastic. So yeah, if you need permission, before you talk to us about this bike, your mother, your brother, your dad, or your lover, then get it first. I.e., your missus, ask your missus first. We don't want conversations that end in, all right, I'm off to ask my missus, because... Anyway, we love talking about bikes and cars and all the other stuff, but that's the wind up. Right, let's see what the mileage is on this bike. You've seen the condition. You've probably been sussing as you're going along. Let's have a look. V4, we know it. Insert your personal code. Well, that you can put in. You can change that any time. So it's 15,215 miles. So someone's actually ridden the bike, which is good, isn't it? I think. So start button, which spookily on these is also the mode button, which is a bit scary, but there you go. That's what it is. Press it. And off we go with some noises. We all know about the ABS lights, etc. Go and watch another video if you don't. Yes, we've run the bike up. Let's let some oil get round it. And then we can do a proper one from there, can't we? Here we go. Gotta love a flame, haven't you? Got to love a flame. Made me jump. Absolutely made me jump. Probably made the neighbours jump as well, to be honest. So that's your bike. Here it is in sunny Grimsby, waiting for you to get it in your shed. What's the order of play? Well, number one, if you've got a Part X, nip on the website, get the Part X form filled in. Job's a good one. I know what you've got then, a boat, a carrot, a donkey, whatever. Number two, if you want monthly payments, give us a call in the office, we'll sort that out. And number three, let's get it paid for, get it in the van, let's get it to you as quick as we can. We have hundreds of other YouTube videos to qualify what I'm saying on this one. Go and have a look, see for scratches, marks, bangs, dings. But YouTube thinks you probably like this here one here, or this playlist where we are messing about with something. Or that's the button that makes it all good for us and supports the channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget, ask your missus first. I think that's coming next.